So, good evening guys. I'm Richard Ramos Jr. from BSIT 3A, and today I will make a recitation and recite at least 12 acronyms and their full form. Uh, so, network models. First on the list is OSI model. Then, meaning nun is Open Systems Interconnection. Tapos naalala ko sa 7 layers is physical, data link, network, transport, session, presentation, tsaka application. So, yon. Tapos 4 layers is network interface, internet, transport, and application. Tapos, dito tayo sa saan ba tayo? Sa key networking protocols. So, una is HTTP and HTTPS. So, sila yung mga pang web browser, 'di ba? Yung HTTP ginagamit sila sa mga yun, protocol, domain, then FTP. So, FTP, what FTP means? Acronym niya is File Transfer Protocol. Ito yung ginagamit na parang pan-transfer sa computer. So, hindi ko pa masyadong ano to. FTP, hindi pa nakagamit nito eh. Tapos, ano pa bang nasa key networking protocols? So, meron din tayong IP. So, ito na yung internet protocol. Meron din tayong DHCP, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. Meron din tayong SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, TCP Transfer Control Protocol, and meron tayong UDP User Datagram Protocol. Then, dito tayo sa IP addressing and subnetting. IPv4 versus IPv6. So, difference nila is ano ba bang difference ng IPv4 and pares I don't know. Siguro ano ko muna to. Tawa ko muna IPv4 at IPv6. Tapos sa routing and switching naman, routing and switching, sila yung routing, ito yung parang packets. Ito yung parang na kung paano na po-forward yung mga data sa isang network sa another network. So yun yung routing. Switching is how data is forwarded within the same network. So yun, switching is from the same network. Routing is from another network. Tapos meron tayong network security protocols. Una-una dyan is firewall. So, ito yung na filtering, detection, and prevent system. Kunyari, may mga malicious software sa malicious software sa mga tuwing nagbo-browse ka, sila yung taga-defend. Then VPN, itong VPN na ginagamit ko to para security to, para hindi malaman yung identity ng network mo. Tapos mas siya mas parang secure siya pagka habang nagbo-browse ka. So ito yung pinaka-recommended ko. Yung VPN, pag kunyari nag-browse ka through mga deep website, ayan, yung mga may mga Onion and Tor browser. So, yun, sa wireless networking, naalala ko lang is meron tayong mobile networking, yun yung 4G, 5G, then Bluetooth connection. Then sa current trends, meron tayong cloud networking and IoT. So, IoT ito yung mga smart device. Meaning na meaning of IoT is Internet of Things. SDN, ibig sabihin niyan software defined networking. So, yun lang guys.